Audible and audio, video, everything clear? Hello. Delight facts is telling gate DA में discrete maths नहीं है, कम से कम आप 2024-25 के मैथ्स पोर्शन पूरा करवा दीजिए ना. Okay. Delighted facts. I will try my best. This is the portion that is the probability that is in the computer science and DA syllabus as well. You can use that one. You can refer this lecture, that is probability 1, because probability is common for general aptitude and in maths portion as well. Whatever be your branch, either you are from chemical, civil, electrical, electronics, material, mining, any branch, irrespective of branch, you will see that you will find questions on probability in the general aptitude section and in engineering mathematics as well, right? So in today's session, we will discuss questions on probability. So I think if audio and video, everything is clear, then we will start the session. Kaushin Ansari, hello sir, hello Kaushin. Anand is telling binomial. Yes, you can use the binomial in this particular question. Ananya. Hello sir. Okay, hello Ananya, right? If my pronunciation is right. So let's start the session with the first question that we have. So this one is the first one. That this question was asked in GATE 2015 in mechanical engineering paper for 2 marks. You can solve the question and let me know the answer in the comment box. Okay, now I think the screen is proper because earlier the light was reflecting on the screen of the iPad, right? Okay. I request everyone to share the session link with your friends and in different groups so that others can also join, right? Okay, so Anand is telling option B is the correct answer. So let me know. Ananya is telling, sir, thank you for your PYQ videos. I solved them and got all the concepts which helped me to land in IIT Bombay. It means a lot. Thank you so much, Ananya. It means a lot. So Ananya, you are in IIT Bombay. So which department? Electrical. Okay, great. I wish you a good luck that you get some good placements of double digit. Wish you good luck for that. Okay, 7 people are watching and 0 likes are there. It is very surprising that people are joining and not responding in the comment section and no one is liking the session. I request everyone to like the session and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. Okay, Ananya is saying thank you. So thank you, Ananya. Okay, so let's move to the question. This question is all about probability. It is telling in this question, it is telling the probability of obtaining at least, this word is very important, at least 2 successes in throwing a fair dice 4 times, right? That means there is a dice which is thrown 4 times, correct? Now we want at least 2 times 6 out of 4 times dice is thrown, right? So what we should do right now in this particular question, we can use binomial distribution, right? Anand is telling option B. Yes, Anand, you are correct. Option B is the correct answer. That is 19 by 144 is the correct answer. So we can solve using the binomial distribution in this particular question. So we have a dice, right, which is thrown 4 times, correct? Now it is asking that we want at least 2 6s. Probability of getting 6 is what? 1/6. 6 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/6 है, तो 6 नहीं आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? 5/6, नॉट गेटिंग 6. ठीक है, 6 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी अगर 1/6 है, तो 6 नहीं आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? 5/6, राइट? सो वी वॉन्ट at least 2 6s out of 4 throw, right? So to do probability of x equal to 2, कम से कम 2 6 चाहिए अपने को. Probability of x equal to 3, right? Plus probability of x equal to 4, correct? Now we will use binomial. क्या करेंगे? बाइनोमियल लगाने के लिए अपने को बाइनोमियल यूज करना पड़ेगा. बाइनोमियल का फॉर्मूला एनसीआर, दैट वन वी विल यूज, राइट? सो एनसीआर का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. आउट ऑफ 4 टॉसेस वी वांट 2 times 6, 4c2, राइट? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 6 इज व्हाट? 1/6. कितनी बारी 6 चाहिए अपने को? 2 बारी. अगर 4 में से 2 बारी 6 आया है, तो बाकी के 2 बारी क्या आया होगा? 6 नहीं आया होगा. दैट मीन्स 5/6 raised to the power 2. We are done with the first one, this part. In the same way, you can apply binomial for probability of x equal to 3 and same for probability of x equal to 4, right? Tilak Raj is telling answer is B. Yes, Tilak, you are correct. Fantastic. 9 people are watching and only 3 likes are there. So I request each and everyone to like the session. And if you are new to the channel, then you can subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I was telling, in the same way you can apply binomial to the second case, 4c3, and then probability of getting 6 will be 1/6. कितनी बारी चाहिए? 3 times. And then अगर 4 में से 3 बारी 6 आया है, तो बाकी की एक बारी क्या आया होगा? 6 नहीं आया होगा, राइट? And then for the last case, that is 4c4, 4 में से चारों बार क्या आना चाहिए? 6 आना चाहिए, ठीक है? और 0 बार क्या आना चाहिए? 6 नहीं आना चाहिए. इसकी वैल्यू को आप मुझे निकाल के बताइए क्या आ रही है. इसकी वैल्यू को निकाल के मुझे बताइए. मैंने हर एक चीज आपके लिए कर दिया है, बस आपको सॉल्व करना है, राइट? मैंने तीनों केसेस के लिए आप आसान बना दिया. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2 हमने पहले निकाला यूजिंग बाइनोमियल, देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इक्वल टू 3 निकाला, एंड देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इक्वल टू 4, ये वाला केस निकाल दिया, राइट? नाउ अब आपको क्या करना है? इसकी वैल्यू बतानी है मुझे कि क्या आ रही है. ऑप्शन ए आ रहा है, बी आ रहा है, जो भी आ रहा है आप वो बता दीजिए. तिलक राज इज टेलिंग ऑप्शन बी. यस तिलक, यू आर करेक्ट. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस यू विल गेट 19/144. आई एम नॉट सॉल्विंग बिकॉज जस्ट आपको सॉल्व करना है. ये काम मैं आपके लिए छोड़ देता हूं. 4c2 आप निकाल सकते हैं, 4c3 आप निकाल सकते हैं. 4c3 4 ही होता है, 4c4 1 होता है. ये सारी चीजें आपको पता है, बेसिक से एकदम, ठीक है? इफ यू आर अटेंडिंग हियर लेक्चर ऑफ PYQ सॉल्विंग और मैराथन सेशन, 4c3, 4c4, 4c1, ये सब आपको तो आना चाहिए बिल्कुल, बिकॉज राइट नाउ ओनली 30-40 days are left for GATE 2026, and if you are not aware about this 4c3, 4c4, then it's very difficult time for you, right? Hers is telling, sir, how you know we need to apply binomial? That doesn't strike. Can you please tell? Okay. Kaushin is telling 171/1296. Okay. Yes, Kaushin, after this simplification, you will get 19/144, right? Hers is telling, how can we know, how I should know that वेयर आई विल यूज बाइनोमियल, राइट? हर्ष इज आस्किंग दैट कि हमें कब पता चलेगा कि हमें बाइनोमियल यूज करना है। तो आप देखिए यहां पर एक फेयर डाइस था जिसको मल्टीपल टाइम थ्रो किया जा रहा था, एक फेयर डाइस था जिसको मल्टीपल टाइम हमने थ्रो किया है। जहां पर भी कोई एक इवेंट मल्टीपल टाइम परफॉर्म किया जाएगा, इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज बाइनोमियल. So that's why we have used binomial in this particular question. Okay, Hers, I think you have got the correct answer. Okay, if no one has doubt in this particular question, then we will move to the next one. Any doubt? Hers is telling, okay sir. Okay, thank you so much Hers for responding. I want you guys to respond because this session should be interactive, not one way, right? Okay, Tilak is telling next question. Okay, if no one has doubt, then we should move to the next question. Okay, this one is the next one. Just I will remove here, right? ठीक है? Okay. So I request each and everyone who have joined recently, they can share the link of this session with their friends and in different WhatsApp group so that others can also join and learn something new. Because we are discussing here the PYQs of GATE, which are most relevant for GATE 2026. Definitely you will see questions like this in your GATE actual 2026 paper. Whatever be your branch, probability is common for all the department irrespective of your branch, and the interesting thing is that you will find questions from probability in general aptitude and in engineering mathematics as well. That means preparing a topic like probability, that will fetch you marks in aptitude section as well as in engineering mathematics section as well. Okay, so Anand is telling option C. और किसी का option C आ रहा है क्या? Anyone else who has got the option C as the answer? Anyone else who has got the answer C option? Anyone? तिलक राज इज टेलिंग ऑप्शन सी. और कोई है जिसका ऑप्शन सी आंसर आ रहा है? क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? लेट मी रीड द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू गाइस. एन अनबायस्ड कॉइन इज टॉस्ड एन इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. एक कॉइन लिया हमने और उसको हमने इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स टॉस किया है, राइट? द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द फोर्थ हेड अपीयर्स एट द 10th टॉस. मतलब क्या? मतलब है कि जब हमने किसी कॉइन को टॉस किया है, लेट्स सपोज कि हमने एक कॉइन को टॉस किया इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, हमसे पूछा जा रहा है कि क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि चौथी बार हेड 10वीं बार जब हम टॉस करेंगे तब हमें मिलेगा, राइट? क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि चौथी बार हेड हमें मिलेगा जब हम 10वीं बार टॉस करेंगे? तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि फॉर first 9 tosses, what we want first 9 tosses में से हमें 3 times हेड आ जाना चाहिए, तभी तो 10वीं बार आएगा चौथी बार हेड. एंड इन 10th टॉस में भी हमें क्या चाहिए? हेड चाहिए. अग्री कर रहे इस बात से एवरीवन? डू यू गाइज अग्री विद दिस? अगर मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है कि क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि चौथी बार हेड आ जाए जब हम 10वीं बार टॉस करेंगे, तो इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे यह देखना पड़ेगा कि फर्स्ट 9 टॉस में हमें 3 बार हेड आ जाए और चौथी बार हेड कब आए? जब 10वीं बार हम टॉस करें, तो तभी ऐसा पॉसिबल है. मतलब पहले 9 बारी में से 3 बारी हेड आ जाए और जब 10वीं बार टॉस करें तो भी हेड आ जाए, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 हेड और एक 4 हेड. हमें वही तो चाहिए था, 4 हेड्स इन एट द 10th टॉस, राइट? Anyone else who has got the option C? Anyone else? Let me know in the comment box if you guys are solving. So what we can do in this particular question, क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि फर्स्ट 9 टॉसेस में हमें 3 बारी हेड चाहिए. दैट मीन्स आउट ऑफ 9 टॉसेस वी वांट 3 टाइम्स हेड. वी कैन यूज बाइनोमियल. सो 9C3, ठीक है, 9C3. अभी हेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होती है? हाफ. कितनी बारी हेड चाहिए? 3 बारी. अगर 9 में से 3 बारी हेड आया है तो बाकी के 6 बारी क्या आया होगा? टेल आया होगा. टेल आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी? 1/2. कितनी बारी? 6 बारी. ये रहा हेड, ये रहा टेल. करेक्ट. इनटू 10th बारी क्या आना चाहिए? हेड आना चाहिए. हेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी हाफ. राइट. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. बताइए कितना आ रहा है? लेट मी नो द आंसर इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. कितना आंसर आ रहा है? डेसिमल में आंसर आ रहा होगा. हाँ, तिलक राज इज टेलिंग 1/2 power 9 into 1/2. ओके, 9 factorial upon. ओके, सही है. यस तिलक, यू आर करेक्ट. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आंसर एज 0.082. दैट इज ऑप्शन सी एज द करेक्ट आंसर. यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. इतना तो आप कर ही सकते हो. ये तो कैलकुलेशन है जस्ट. 9C3 आपको निकालना है. 9 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 3 फैक्टोरियल एंड 6 फैक्टोरियल. उसके बाद फिर आपको हाफ रेज़ टू द पावर 3 निकालना. उसके बाद हाफ रेज़ टू द पावर 6 निकालना है. आपको बस सिंप्लीफाई करना और कुछ भी नहीं करना. इतना तो कर ही सकते हो. कौन है ये? हुसैन इज टेलिंग रिपीट वंस. ओके, सो सी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन हुसैन, it was asking an unbiased coin was tossed an infinite number of times. एक हमने कॉइन लिया, उसको हमने इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम टॉस किया है. हमसे पूछा गया द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द फोर्थ हेड अपीयर्स एट द 10th टॉस. मतलब हमें चौथी बार हेड आना चाहिए जब हम 10वीं बार टॉस करेंगे तो. राइट. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर मुझे चौथी बार हेड चाहिए जब हम 10वीं बार टॉस करेंगे तो फर्स्ट 9 टॉसेस में से हमें 3 बारी हेड आ जाना चाहिए. तभी तो ऐसा पॉसिबल है. राइट. फर्स्ट 9 टॉसेस में से अगर मुझे 3 बार हेड आ गया तो 10वीं बार जब टॉस होगा तो हेड आ जाएगा, तो हमारा काम खत्म हो जाएगा. हमें 4 हेड चाहिए थे एट द 10th टॉस. राइट. अब अगर मुझे फर्स्ट 9 टॉसेस में से अगर 3 बारी हेड आया है तो इसको क्या मैं बाइनोमियल से यूज नहीं करके सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता हूं? 9C3, आउट ऑफ 9 टॉसेस वी वांट 3 हेड्स. ये हो गया इस वाले 9 टॉसेस का बात. अभी 10वीं बार जब टॉस करेंगे तो हेड आना चाहिए, तो 10वीं बार टॉस करने पे हेड आएगा. उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी? हाफ. राइट. आई थिंक इट इज राइट नाउ क्लियर. हुसैन, इज दिस क्लियर? Anyone else who want me to repeat this question, or you guys have understood this question very well? 9 people are watching and only 6 likes are there. So I request everyone to like the session, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. I have provided the link of our app in the description box. GateJet. You can download our app from the Play Store. I have provided the link in the description box. Tilak Raj is telling next question. Yes, Tilak. Next question. Okay. So you can download our app from Google Play Store. I have provided the link of our app in the description box. And you can also join the WhatsApp doubt solving group on the link that is provided in the description box. Okay. Now, this question was asked in GATE 2012 electronics paper for 2 mark. The question says that a fair coin is tossed independently 4 times. क्या हो रहा है? एक कॉइन लिया हमने. There is a coin which is tossed, there is a coin which is tossed 4 times, right? And then it has been asked the probability of the event, the number of times head shows up is more than the number of times tail shows up. मतलब कि 4 बारी हमने टॉस किया है कॉइन को, हमें क्या चाहिए, नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स हेड अपीयरिंग शुड बी ग्रेटर देन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स टेल अपीयरिंग. जितनी बार हेड आया है वो क्या होना चाहिए, टेल जितनी बार आया है उसके नंबर से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, राइट? तिलक राज इज टेलिंग ऑप्शन डी, and Anand is also telling option D. Anyone else who has got the option D as the answer? Anyone? Anyone else who has got the option D as the answer? I request each and everyone who have joined recently, they can like the session, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel. And you can download our app, that is GateJet, from Google Play Store. I have provided the link of our app in the description box. Okay, so let me elaborate this particular question. So क्या यहाँ पर बोला जा रहा है कि एक कॉइन है जिसको हमने क्या किया है, there is a coin which has been tossed 4 times, right? Okay. अभी क्या चाहिए हमें, नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स हेड शोज अप शुड बी ग्रेटर देन द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. तो ऐसा हो सकता है हमारे पास में कि 4 में से 3 बारी हेड आ गया, 1 बारी टेल आ गया, राइट? और क्या हो सकता है भाई साहब, या तो फिर 4 बारी हेड आ सकता है. यही दोनों केसेस तो पॉसिबल है, तभी तो ये कंडीशन फॉलो होगी, नंबर ऑफ हेड्स is more than the number of times tail shows up, right? तो या तो ये हो सकता है या तो ये केस पॉसिबल हो सकता है. तीसरा कोई केस इस कंडीशन को होल्ड नहीं करेगा, राइट? तो आप एक बार इस वाले केस के लिए बाइनोमियल लगा दीजिए और एक बार इस वाले केस के लिए बाइनोमियल लगा दीजिए. यहाँ पर 4 बारी टॉस हो रहा है, 4 बारी टॉस में से 3 बारी हेड आ रहा है. यहाँ पर 4 बारी टॉस हो रहा है और चारों बार हेड आ रहा है. दोनों केस के लिए बाइनोमियल लगा दीजिए बस. Anand is telling option D, Tilak Raj is telling option D. No one else is doing, I think. So if you are watching the session, I request each and everyone to respond whatever you are solving. It doesn't matter that you are responding incorrect answer or something. Can you explain hypothesis testing numericals? Hypothesis gate के respect में आया है क्या question एक बार में? तिलक, sorry Anand. हाइपोथेसिस इज आई थिंक M1 और M2 में पूछा जाता था, बट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू गेट आई हैवंट सीन क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम हाइपोथेसिस इन एनी ऑफ द ब्रांच. कैन यू टेल मी रिगार्डिंग दिस इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग? तो यहां पर हम क्या करेंगे, अच्छा तिलक राज इज टेलिंग नॉट इन गेट. तो अगर आपको अलग से कुछ पढ़ना है तो यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी, आई विल गिव टाइम. ओके, सो यहां पर क्या बोला गया, बायनोमियल यूज करेंगे. आउट ऑफ 4 टॉसेस इफ 3 टॉसेस आर हेड देन व्हाट वी विल यूज बायनोमियल. 4C3 हेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी हाफ, कितनी बारी हेड चाहिए, 3 बारी. 4 में से 3 बारी अगर हेड आया है तो बाकी की 1 बारी क्या आया होगा, टेल, राइट? उसके बाद क्या चाहिए अपने को, प्लस आ जाएगा ना, यहां पर दोनों ही केस होंगे. 4C4, 4 में से चारों बारी हेड आ जाए तो हाफ रेज टू द पावर 4 एंड हाफ रेज टू द पावर 0. दिस इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हेड टेल. इसको सॉल्व करिए और बताइए मुझे कि आंसर क्या आ रहा है, राइट? आनंद इज टेलिंग यस सर, अपीयर्ड इन माइनिंग में हाइपोथेसिस के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आया है. You can send me on my WhatsApp. I will see what type of questions they are asking from hypothesis in GATE mining paper. I will see, and definitely if there is such requirement, I will try my best to give some content on that also. Because if I remember correctly, when I was in my BTech, I read about this hypothesis testing and all that in my M2, semester 2. So after that, I don't remember that this hypothesis testing has been asked in GATE. Okay, but I will see, definitely. You can send me queries on the WhatsApp. I will definitely respond to that. Shubh is telling option D. Yes, Shubh, answer is option D. So are you getting 5 upon 16? Everyone is getting that? 5 upon 16? Option D, 5 upon 16. Option D. This is the correct answer. Anyone else who has got the correct answer? Let me know in the comment box. If anyone has any doubt, you can comment down. Okay, so can we move to the next question if no one has any doubt in this particular one? Can we move to the next question? Let me know in the comment box. Clear, sir. Next question. Tilak Raj is telling clear. Okay. So if no one has any doubt in this particular question, we are moving towards the next one. This one is the next question. This was asked in GATE 2018, Mechanical Engineering for 1 mark. PR Movies. PR Movies is telling clear, sir. Okay, PR Movies. Clear. I request each and everyone to share the link of this session with your friends and in different WhatsApp group so that they can also join and we can have an interactive session with lots of students. Okay. So if you want to share the link, you can share the link of this channel, of this session with your friends and in different WhatsApp group so that they can also join and we can have an interactive session. We want more people to join. Only 8 people are live, 10 people are live. I want at least 50 people to live. I want 50 people live watching. Can you do that for me? 8 people are watching right now. I request each and everyone to share the link of this session with your friends so that they can also join and we can have an interactive session. Tilak Raj is telling option D. Tilak Raj is telling option D. D for Delhi is not the correct one. Anyone else who has got the answer as D? Let me know. Karan is telling yes. Anand is telling option C. Tilak Raj is telling option C. Yes, Tilak, option C is the correct answer. 10 people are watching. I request each and everyone to share the session link with your friends so that they can also join and we can have an interactive session with a lot of students. I want 50 people to watch online at least. If you can do that for me, please. I want to see the power of a student. I know you guys can do. You can share the link with your friends so that they can also join. Yes, 11 people are there. I want 50 people, 50. Anyone who can help me with that, you can share the link of this. I forgot to apply the percentage. Tilak Raj is telling, I forgot to apply the percentage. No, don't worry. This type of mistake is not acceptable because in exam, if you do this kind of mistake, you will lose marks. So it's better that you do mistakes in the practice session, like this is a practice session. So it is okay, but in actual GATE paper, you can't afford mistakes. 11 people are watching and only 8 likes are there. So I request each and everyone to like the session, double tap on the screen, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let me read the question for you guys. A 6-faced fair dice is rolled 5 times, right? एक फेयर डाइस दे रखा है जिसको 5 बारी हमने रोल किया है. द प्रोबेबिलिटी इन परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग 1 एटलीस्ट 4 टाइम्स. क्या बोला गया? कम से कम 4 बारी हमने लिया एक डाइस, राइट? डाइस लिया, उसको हमने 5 बारी रोल किया है, ठीक है? आउट ऑफ दीज 5 टाइम्स वी वांट एट लीस्ट 4 टाइम्स वी वांट 1 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होती है डाइस में? अगर 1 आ रहा है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? 1/6. 1 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी, 1 नहीं आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 5/6, राइट? नाउ इफ आई वांट out of these 5 tosses, 5 times rolled, we want at least 4 times what? 1. So probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 5. Binomial लगा देंगे दोनों ही केसेस में and we will get the answer. कैसे लगाएंगे सर बाइनोमियल? बताइए. कुछ भी नहीं करना. 5c4 1/6 getting 1 is the probability of 1/6. एक आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी डाइस पे? 1/6. कितनी बारी चाहिए 1/6? 4 बारी. अगर 5 में से 4 बारी 1 आया है तो बाकी के एक बारी क्या आया होगा? 1 नहीं आया होगा, राइट? अभी नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वाले केस के लिए भी हम सेम चीज अप्लाई कर देंगे, सेम बाइनोमियल थ्योरम, राइट? सो 5c5, 5 में से 5 बारी हमें एक आ गया. एक आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/6, 5 में से 5 बार. तो एक नहीं आया होगा कितनी बार? 0 बार, राइट? अभी इसको आप सॉल्व करके बताइए व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग. इतना तो कर सकते हैं आप, इतना तो कर सकते हैं, ये तो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट? 5c4 is 5 and 5c5 is 1, right? Just do the calculation and let me know the answer. Don't forget to multiply with 100 to get in the percentage. After getting the answer, you multiply with the 100 in order to get the percentage. We have to then multiply by 100. Yes, Tilak, you are right. Because the answer is asked in percentage. This is the catch of this question. This is, okay, just a second. This is the probability and we want probability in percentage, so that's why you have to multiply by 100, right? So after multiplication you will get what? You will get answer as option C, that is 0.33 percentage, not the probability. It is the probability percentage. Okay, I hope you have got the answer. So 11 people are watching. I request everyone to share the link of this session with your friends so that they can also join and we can have an interactive session. People who have joined recently, they can like the session by double tap on the screen, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. Okay, can we move to the next question if no one has any doubt in this particular one? Anyone has any doubt in this particular one? Let me know in the comment box. Anyone has any doubt in this particular question? Let me know in the comment box. Tilak Raj is telling clear. Okay, great, Tilak. Thanks for responding, because other people are not responding. At least you are responding, so thank you so much. So can we move to the next one? Okay, I think this question is clear. Now we are moving forward with the next one. This question was asked in GATE 2017 Mechanical Engineering for 1 mark. Shubh is telling clear, sir. Okay, thank you so much so for responding. Tilak Raj is telling next question. Okay, yes, this is the next one. You can attempt this question. I want interactive session, more people to watch live because only 6 or 10 people are watching live. I want more people, at least 50 people I want. So you can help me out with that. You can share the link of this session with your friends and in different WhatsApp group so that they can join live with us. Okay. Tilak Raj is telling 0.75. 0.75. Anyone else who has got 0.75 as an answer? Anand is also getting 0.75. Anyone else? Anand has got 0.75. Tilak Raj has got 0.75. Anyone else? I want new people to comment down. Anytime, every time I am seeing only Tilak and Anand is responding, I want new people to respond. Because if you are not solving here, definitely you will face this kind of question in your actual gate paper, right? So it's better that you practice these questions right here, right now. Sit with the pen and paper and try to attempt the question. Okay, so in this particular question, let me just describe this question for you guys. In this particular question, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. 2 coin को हमने एक साथ टॉस किया है, ठीक है? The probability of getting at least one head, क्या चाहिए अपने को? At least one head. अरे यार ये क्वेश्चन तो बहुत आसान है यार. 1 minus probability of getting both tail. वैसे भी बना सकते हो, जैसे मन करना है वैसे बना लो. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at least one head. कम से कम एक हेड. अरे यार ये तो पेन चलाने की भी नीड नहीं पड़ेगी, ऐसे ही बना दोगा. देखो क्या करना भाई, 2 coins है, 2 coins. देखो 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Tilak Raj is telling 1 minus probability of getting both tail. Yes Tilak, you can do that one also, but वो भी करने की नीड नहीं पड़ेगी. कैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ. देखो 2 कॉइन को हमने टॉस किया है तो क्या क्या आ सकता है भाई साहब बताइए. हेड हेड, हेड टेल आ सकता है क्या, टेल हेड आ सकता है क्या, और टेल टेल आ सकता है. यही तो 4 ऑप्शंस में से कोई एक ऑप्शन आएगा, राइट? हमको चाहिए कम से कम एक हेड वाला. तो कम से कम एक हेड वाला कौन सा केस है? एक तो ये केस है, कम से कम एक हेड मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 हेड भी हो सकता है. तो दिस इज वैलिड, दिस इज ऑल्सो वैलिड, this is also valid, this one is not valid. That means out of 4 cases we want only 3 cases. That is, this one is valid, this one is valid, and this one is valid. Out of 4 cases, these 3 are only desired, so that's why the probability is 3/4, right? This was the very easy question, but I think only 1 or 2 people has got the answer. Very disappointing. If you are not able to solve this kind of question, then let me give you the harsh reality. If you are not able to solve this kind of question, then you are at the bottom of the preparation. Believe me, this is the harsh reality I am telling you, because this question, even the people who have learned probability 1 day or 2 day, they can also solve, right? So this was very easy question. You should solve this kind of question. Only 2-3 people have responded, but I don't know why others are not responding. Okay, so this question was very easy one. If no one has any doubt, then we can move to the next one. Okay, so we are moving towards the next one because we have limited time. This question was asked in GATE 2019 mechanical engineering for 2 marks. Kaushin Ansari is telling clear, sir. Okay, Kaushin Ansari, great. only 5 people are watching live. I want more people to watch the live session. If you can help me out, you can share the link of this session with your friends and in different WhatsApp group so that they can also join, right? Deepash is telling hi. Hi Deepash. If you can help me out, you can share the link of this session with your friends and in different WhatsApp group so that they can also join. I want at least 10 to 15 people to watch live. So this question is telling that the probability that a part manufactured by a company will be defective, उसकी probability दे रखी है 0.05. तो probability of getting defective, उसकी probability क्या है 0.05, right? Now it is telling if 15 such parts are selected randomly and inspected, then the probability that at least 2 parts will be defective, right? कम से कम 2 पार्ट डिफेक्टिव होने चाहिए, 15 पार्ट में से 2 पार्ट कम से कम डिफेक्टिव होने चाहिए, राइट? तो यहां पर क्या करेंगे हम? कौशिन अंसारी सेलिंग 0.17. यस कौशिन, you are correct. Anyone else who has got 0.17? Anyone else who has got 0.17 as a correct answer? Tilak Raj is also telling 0.17. Anyone else who has got 0.17? क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला गया है? 15 सच और डिफेक्टिव आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 5%, दैट इज 0.05, राइट? तो क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि कम से कम 2 पार्ट डिफेक्टिव होंगे आउट ऑफ 15 सच पार्ट्स? ठीक है, कम से कम 2 पार्ट, राइट? तो हम यहां पर क्या बायनोमियल लगा सकते हैं? लगा सकते हैं बायनोमियल. Deepas is telling 0.17. Yes, Deepas, you are correct. So can we use total probability minus probability of getting 0 defective plus probability of getting at 1 defective? क्योंकि हमको क्या बोला गया है? कंडीशन ये बोला गया है कि at least 2 parts should be defective, right? कम से कम 2 पार्ट डिफेक्टिव होने चाहिए. इसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी? तिलक राशि चलिंग 1 minus no defective minus 1 defective. Yes, Tilak, you are correct. This case is no defective and this one case is for 1 defective, right? So दोनों केस के लिए हम बाइनोमियल लगा देंगे. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा. This type of question, believe me, you will see in every year. They will ask questions in at least 1 or 2 branch every year. This type of question, right? तो क्या आएगा हमारे पास में? 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. 15 में से 0 डिफेक्टिव आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 0.05. और डिफेक्टिव नहीं आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी नो डिफेक्टिव या फिर नॉट डिफेक्टिव 0.95, राइट? तो 15C0 दैट मीन्स क्या हो गया? 15C0 का मतलब हो गया कि 15 में से 0 डिफेक्टिव, तो डिफेक्टिव आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.05 और डिफेक्टिव नहीं आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.95, राइट? प्लस 15C1 0.05 डिफेक्टिव आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी, 15 में से 1 डिफेक्टिव इंटू 0.95. अगर 15 में से 1 डिफेक्टिव आया है, इसका मतलब क्या है? बाकी के 14 क्या आया होगा? करेक्ट वन आया होगा. बस इसकी वैल्यू को आप निकाल के बता दीजिए मुझे क्या आंसर आ रहा है, राइट? इतना काम बस आपको करना है. कैलकुलेशन तो आप कर सकते हैं, कैलकुलेशन करके बताइए मुझे क्या आ रहा है आंसर. ठीक है, 15C0 निकालना है, 15C1 निकालना है. 15C1 इज 15, राइट? ठीक है. तिलक राज इज टेलिंग 0.17. यस तिलक, यू आर करेक्ट. The answer is 0.17. 0.17, right? If you solve using calculator, because यहाँ पे decimals involved है, तो आपको calculator use करना पड़ेगा, then you will get the correct answer as 0.17, right? Okay. Now, if this question is clear, can we move to the next one? Anyone has any doubt regarding this? Kaushin is telling clear, sir. Okay, Kaushin, you are my regular student. I can remember your name like Kaushin, Tilak, Anand. These people are like consistent, and I can tell you sure that people who are consistent, they will get a good score definitely. There is no chance that the people who are consistent, they will get less marks or they will fail. The people who are consistent like Tilak, Kaushin, Anand, these people are consistent, definitely they will get good scoring gate as compared to the other one. The people who are not responding, not consistent, not responding, not solving, only just watching like a movie, they will not, it will not work. I'm talking like bit hard. This is the harsh reality. I'm not here to just entertain you. Like मैं आपको एक कोई जोक सुना दूं, आप हंस दें, ऐसा मेरा काम नहीं है. मेरा काम है आपको रास्ता दिखाना, चलना उस पे आपको खुद ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Tilak Raj is telling clear, sir. Next question. Okay, Tilak, definitely. So there is no doubt in this question. We are moving towards the next one. So this question was asked in GATE 2015 Civil Engineering for 2 marks. This question is based on probability density function, right? 7 people are watching, and I request everyone to like the session, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can download our app, that is GateJet, from the Google Play Store. I have provided the link of our app in the description box. You can download our app GateJet, and you can also join the WhatsApp doubt solving group. I have provided the link of WhatsApp doubt solving group in the description box of this particular session. Okay, so I hope you guys are solving. So this kind of question like probability density function, where you find the mean of a random variable function, these kind of questions you will find every year they will ask. Either they will say that this is a probability density function, there is a constant k, they will ask the value of that particular constant, or either they will ask the mean value of the probability density function, right? So this is a very frequent type of question they will ask. So you should be thorough with this concept of probability density function. So in this question it is given, let me read the question for you guys. In this question it is asked the probability density function of a random variable x. यहाँ पर क्या है, x एक random variable है, right? fx is, this is fx when the interval is from 0 to 2, closed interval. When equality sign is there, it means a closed interval is given. Otherwise the function is 0. Okay, Tilak Raj is telling answer is 1. Tilak, you have to answer in the decimal one. Up to 2 decimal place you have to answer. Okay, it is a NAT question, no? Right? So you can answer in integer also. Yes. Okay. Anyone else who has got correct answer as 1? Anyone else who has got the answer as 1? So you have to find the mean of the random variable x, right? So mean का formula क्या होता है भाई? If any function which is a PDF, that is probability density function, you will find that integral minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1, right? This is the funda of probability density function, right? Tilak is also telling 1, Shubh is telling 1. Okay, Kaushik Ansari is telling 1.06. Yes. So this is the probability density function. ये होता है हमारे पास में probability density function का कंडीशन. अगर हमें बोला गया है कि मीन निकालना है, that is E of x, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? इंटीग्रल x fx dx करना पड़ेगा, राइट? अभी यहां पर आपके मन में ये सवाल आएगा कि सर ये लिमिट की वैल्यू क्या डालेंगे? तो लिमिट की वैल्यू आपके पास ऑलरेडी गिवन है 0 से 2 तक, राइट? तो फ्रॉम 0 to 2 क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा. x तो एज इट इज रहेगा, fx की जगह पर आपको ये पुट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द फंक्शन वैलिड फॉर द इंटरवल 0 to 2, राइट? सो द फंक्शन इज x अपॉन 4, या फिर मैं इसको मल्टीप्लाई, अच्छा बाद में मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूं, 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फंक्शन dx. इसे हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? इंटीग्रेट करना है. कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, बस 0 से 2 इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे. क्या आएगा भाई बताइए? तो आप बोलेंगे सर यहां से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख देते हैं, तो यह आ जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर, 4 और 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो एक्स स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर एक्स स्क्वायर कितना बन जाएगा? एक्स रेज़ टू द पावर 4/4 बन जाएगा क्या ऐसा, राइट? अभी इसको इंटीग्रेट कर देते हैं तो क्या आ जाएगा? x³/3 माइनस एक्स रेज़ टू द पावर 5 और 5 चौके 20. अभी इसकी वैल्यू बताइए मुझे क्या आ रही है? 0 से 2 लिमिट लगाकर बताइए मुझे क्या आ रहा है. इतना तो आप मेरे लिए कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कैलकुलेशन, राइट? इतना कैलकुलेशन आप करके बताइए मुझे क्या आ रहा है वैल्यू. तिलक राज इज टेलिंग 16/15, that is 1.067. Yes, Tilak, you are correct. Definitely. Great. Anyone else who has got the correct answer, you can let me know in the comment box. Or if you have any doubt regarding this question, you can, in that case also you can comment down. Okay. So you will get 16/15, that is 16/15 आ जाएगा क्या? जो आएगा हमारे पास में 1.06. The correct answer will be 1.06, right? So this was all about, I think we are running out of time. So I was planned for this 1 hour session. It's already 53 minutes. We have 7 minutes left. So can we start from the 1 by 1 question? If anyone who has joined recently, they can see the questions. So I was planning to take the session for 1 hour. So it's already 53 minutes and I took 7-8 questions in order to discuss with you guys. So this was the first one. This was the first question where there was a dice which was rolled 4 times and it was asked that obtaining 6 at least 2 times. So here we used binomial theorem, right? जहां पर हमने binomial यूज किया for getting 2 6s, getting 3 6s plus getting 4 6s, because it was asked that at least 2 6 हमें चाहिए. ठीक है? Okay. Any doubt in this particular one? Right? So this was the first one, and then after we solved the second one. This was the second problem which was asked in GATE 2014 in electronics paper. In this question also there was a coin which was tossed infinite number of times, and here it was asked the probability that 4th head will appear at the 10th toss. That means अगर चौथी बार हेड हमें चाहिए जब हम 10वीं बार टॉस करेंगे, इसका मतलब क्या है कि फर्स्ट 9 टॉसेस में मुझे 3 बारी हेड आना पड़ेगा, तभी हमारे पास में ऐसा पॉसिबल होगा कि 10वीं बार चौथी बार हेड आएगा, राइट? तो अगर मुझे चौथी बार हेड चाहिए जब हम 10वीं बार टॉस करेंगे, तो इसका मतलब है कि पहले 9 बारी जब हम टॉस करेंगे तो हमें 3 बारी हेड चाहिए ही चाहिए. देन ओनली वी कैन गेट 4th टाइम हेड इन द 10th टॉस. right? Tilak Raj is saying, take one more question, sir, no doubt. Okay, more questions. Okay, can I? Okay, let me just see the question one first. Okay, where is the question? Calculus traces. Just a second, I'm just a second, I'm just taking out the question. Where is the probability one? Derivatives. Okay. और कहाँ पर है probability? कहाँ चला गया? Okay. Derivatives, and then complex variables, probability and statistics. Okay, we have got the probability and statistics. So the question is, you can write the question. I'm just dictating the question first. Okay, there is a question. Okay, just a second, I'm writing the question one. Question, just let me, okay. This is the last question as per the request. So this is the last question that we are discussing. So a box contains 25 parts. Of which 10 are defective. 10 are defective, right? And then two parts are being taken. You can write the question: being taken, being drawn simultaneously. Okay, in a random manner from the box. The probability of getting both the parts being good. चलिए बताइए. Option A is 7/20. Option B is 45/125. Option C is 25/29. Option D is 5/9. Okay. So this was the question which was asked in GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering. GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering for 2 mark. I think 1 mark था क्या? 1 mark के लिए पूछा गया था. Question. Okay. Tilak Raj is telling option A is the correct answer. Anyone else has got the option A? कैसे करना है इस क्वेश्चन को? एक बॉक्स दे रखा है, उसमें क्या है 25 पार्ट्स हैं, राइट, जिसमें कि 10 डिफेक्टिव है. Tilak Raj is telling 15 C2 upon 25 C2. Yes, definitely you are correct. हमारे पास क्या है, इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में भी बोला गया कि एक बॉक्स है, उसमें 25 पार्ट्स हैं जिसमें से 10 डिफेक्टिव है, राइट? हमको क्या चाहिए, 2 पार्ट को जब हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, हमें बोला गया 2 पार्ट हमें रैंडमली ड्रॉ करना है. दैट मीन्स 25 पार्ट्स में से हमने 2 पार्ट को ड्रॉ कर लिया, 25 C2, राइट? Out of 25 parts, we drawn 2 parts, right? Now, अब अगर हमें कौन से पार्ट्स चाहिए, दोनों पार्ट्स गुड चाहिए. बॉक्स में कितने पार्ट्स हैं, 10 पार्ट डिफेक्टिव हैं. तो 25 में से अगर 10 पार्ट डिफेक्टिव हैं तो बाकी के 15 पार्ट्स क्या होंगे, गुड होंगे. दैट मीन्स 15 C2, मतलब जो हमें गुड पार्ट चाहिए 15 C2, डिजायर्ड वन, राइट? इसकी वैल्यू को हम अगर निकालेंगे तो हमें आ जाएगा 7/20, right? You will get 7/20 as a correct answer, which is given in option A, right? So can we end this session, because we have already crossed 1 hour. I hope I have discussed enough number of questions for the practice for today. I have also job, so I usually get less time as compared to this, so pardon me for that. Tilak Raj is telling okay sir. So if you have any particular specific doubt regarding gate preparation or anything, you can ask. I can interact with you guys for 1 or 2 minutes. After that we will close the session. If you have anything, you can ask me in the comment box. Next lecture कब होगा sir? Shubh is asking next lecture कब होगा. See, I can't commit the exact date and the time, but whenever I will get time from my job, I will do session on engineering mathematics. Okay? Anything else that you want? Anything else? Kaushin Ansari, thank you so much sir for this amazing session and your valuable time. Thank you so much Kaushin. It means a lot. Thank you. Anyone else? Tilak Raj is telling take lecture on aptitude also sir. Okay, I can lecture on aptitude as well, topic by topic I can take. Tilak Raj is telling great session sir. Thank you so much Tilak. Anything else that you want to say? I can take aptitude lectures as well based on the PYQs and based on the topics. Yes, I have to plan for that. Okay, definitely I will keep in mind regarding the aptitude one. Okay, anything else more? Anyone? Anything else that you want to say? Okay, so if there is nothing to say, then can we close the session? Okay, so we are right now closing the session. Thank you so much guys for joining. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and have a good night. Thank you.